Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download or install BankTree personal finance app on your mobile phone. To do so, follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. Firstly, make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Now open App Store or Play Store and in the search bar, search for BankTree personal finance. As a result, you can see the application in the second option. Click on the application and over here you can see the install button. Click on the install button to install it. It might take some time to install depending upon the internet speed. As you can see, the app has been downloaded. Click on the open button to use this application. Now the app is ready to use. Use it to manage your finances. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.